You hear a lot of the times in dental offices, smile makeover. Well, what is a smile makeover? In our office, we use a whole litany of different treatment options for people looking for that. A patient looking for a smile makeover just doesn't feel confident in the overall look of their teeth. Sometimes they're stained, sometimes they're chipped, sometimes they're missing teeth. There are a lot of ways a patient can undergo a smile makeover. It can involve lumineers, it can involve veneers, crowns, implants, whitening, or Invisalign. Well, what's the difference really between one to the next? The reality is it's based on the individual needs of the patient, their bite, what their cosmetic goals are. Lots of people we can do veneers on, lots of people can't receive veneers and must need crowns. Many people who have really hard bites need to have crowns because they would just break the veneers. There are also differences between veneers and lumineers. We've put all of these options in place to be able to provide people with a smile makeover. In order to figure out what the right treatment option is for you, we got to get you into the office, find out what you're looking for, provide you a treatment plan that will give you the smile makeover that you're looking for.